I don't think people understand how easy it is to make homemade dog treats. I'll show you how to create fresh breath goodies for your pup. These homemade greenies are super easy to make and will have your dog's breath smelling fresh in no time. All you need is some parsley, mint, coconut oil, and a little bit of pumpkin. Simply blend the herbs until smooth, mix in the coconut oil and pumpkin, then shape them into fun little designs. Pop them in the fridge to harden and voila! You've got fresh breath treats that your dog will love and their teeth will thank you for. Remember, always consult with your vet before trying new treats. For more possum tips and tricks, don't forget to follow our page.